Alright, here we go. We're going to get into opening this whole small block Chevy. This is going to be for like Gen 3 Trans Ams, things like that. Let's see if we can make it work for our $500 turbo challenge. No, we're not using a Camaro or Trans Am or anything like that. I don't think they're going to work for our application, but we're going to pop them open and see. Got, looks to be almost like an OEM set of gaskets. Almost. I don't know about that. Those look like junk, to be completely honest. But we'll see. To my knowledge, this has never been opened on eBay, or this has never been opened on YouTube. This is going to be a first. So it did come with some hardware, which is cool. I don't know why it has nuts, really. We should be using head studs, so I don't know why there's, oh, I know why there's nuts in the turbo. Yeah, I don't think it's gonna work. I'm pretty sure it's gonna hit the steering shaft. But let's pop them open and look at them. That's what matters right now. We're just popping them open to see what we got. Those welds look like crap. Oh, they didn't even finish welding it right here. Or right here. Or here. Yeah, none of the sides. They're only, it's just welded on the bottom and the top. This is probably the absolute worst. Like, I could do better than this. You know, I'm such a professional welder. At least they bubble gummed it up in here. Alright, if you stuck around this long, I do appreciate it. We're taking some close-ups here. Let me show you some of this crap. Ah, yeah. That's beautiful. Look at that. Yeah, that's just gonna rust from the inside out. That's all I'm seeing right now. I mean, it's sealed, you know. Like I said, they only did the inside like that. A couple dimes on the outside. Whoops. A couple dimes on the outside, and that's kind of it. That's how they tacked it in place. And it's like that everywhere, except for the collector. You can see they dimed it up on the outside. Let's see if we get that to focus. There you go. But yeah, I mean, I don't know. That's crap right there. That's bad. That's real bad right here. This would be the other one. This is what, passenger or driver's side. Oh, Jesus. Needless to say, we won't be using these. No matter how cheap they were, we're not going to be using them. So, yeah, there goes that. Oh well. If you were curious about the, what, Manzo? It's like Monza, but they just switched them. Whatever. They're junk. Absolute trash. I would not run these anywhere on anything I own. I'd rather just cut up something and weld it myself. This is bad. I mean, I don't know. You know, what do you expect for $60 to $80? I mean, a lot of people try to advertise them for 100 plus, which is just ridiculous. I couldn't imagine more than maybe, yeah, 80, 90, 100 bucks tops. If you got something where the steering shaft's not going to hit right here, but for our application, it most definitely will. And that's not going to work for us. So, all right. Thanks for tuning in. Peace.